What's up, guys? Today we're going up to the Angeles National Forest. I'm gonna go camping this weekend with some buddies of mine, but I need to go up first to get a good camping site because it's first come first serve. So we're gonna try to have some fun while we're up there. So let's see how this goes. We're here at the campsite and I've already made some friends. What was your guys' names?
My name's Bella. His name's Peter. He's my brother. And then we're a strong family.
So they're staying right over there. I think we're gonna actually take over the campsite tomorrow. They're asking what kind of food I have already.
I'll tell you. Oh. Is that a knife?
Yeah, it's a knife.
Can we have 2 sticks?
Yeah, you can have 2 sticks.
Can I use this?
Oh no, I need that one. Thank you.
Hey. Oh, and it
Ooh,
looks like firework.
So that was easy.
Thingy.
Alright, so the coals are nice and white, so gonna get my steak.
I am here again.
I'm gonna put the steak right on top of the coals.
What? Are you going to put steak on the wood?
Mm-hmm.
That would be disgusting. What? Why you got the ham?
So I got this chimichurri mix. Never tried this before. Oh, and this is what I'm gonna have with my steak. Oh, that's perfect. Mmm. You see the juices? Mmm. Hey, get out of here! Go! Go! There was seriously a bear, a black bear. Hey, get out of here! Go! There was a black bear like 10 feet from me. Now that was interesting. Scared the crap out of me. Wow. I'm not sure how I'm gonna sleep tonight because I'm sleeping in a hammock. And I'm cooking a steak. And I think the bear smelled it, came all the way to my campsite. It was big. Man, now I'm just hearing all these weird noises everywhere, so it's creeping me out. Alright, well, this is where I'm sleeping tonight. I'll show you guys my setup in the morning, but this is literally where the bear was. So, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Didn't sleep too great last night. There's a lot of bear activity. So this is my war bonnet hammock, and I've had this for a few years and I really like it. I ordered this to be super lightweight, so it's only 1 layer, and Yeah, it has this built-in bug net, and you can kind of open it up and tie it up so it doesn't get in your way. So just to show you guys how close that bear came last night, I was literally eating right here, and you turn around, and the bear was right here. That's maybe about 10 feet. With this radio, I can reach really far because it's using a system of repeaters. I'm trying to reach my friend TJ. He's also another ham operator. I know it's kind of nerdy, but it's actually kind of cool because there's no other way I would have been able to contact him, because he's on his way up today, and I want to let him know that we might need some extra firewood. So let's give it a shot. I'm not sure if he's monitoring it right now, but we'll see. KJ6BBY to KJ6BBW, do you copy? Hey TJ, you copy? Is that you?
Sorry guys, I'm underground.
Hey, you're breaking up a little bit, but if you can hear me, I think we can use a bundle or two of firewood.
Yeah, I got that. I'll bring up a bundle or two of firewood.
Cool, awesome man. I'll see you guys soon. So I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm just making some ramen because it's easy. I'm by myself, not too picky. My girlfriend's friend, Sarah, she gave me this thing, and it's literally I don't know if you can see it. It's like a paper pot. And so apparently it's a paper cooking pot, and it's safe to use on burners, stoves. Oh, there we go. All right, here we go. Just gonna put this right on top. Got some green onions. I'm gonna chop this up. Ichiban ramen, old school classic, 2 eggs. It's starting to boil. The paper's not burning, surprisingly. Although I see some brown kind of spots in there.
Let's talk about ramen.
What was that?
Ramen.
Ramen? Did you guys eat breakfast yet?
My dad is making my breakfast.
What are you guys eating?
Ramyun, but my mom put the golden ramyun she's making.
Golden ramyun. What did he eat? Turkey?
No, turkey. And then he ate spicy chicken.
Yummy. All right, I'm gonna eat this, guys.
Wait, you're gonna eat us? Lion and tiger want to eat peoples.
No, they're not gonna eat us. They just wanted food. All right, I'm gonna taste this. All right.
But
My mom made that kimchi. The what?
The animal was seeing the animal to eat.
I'm not sure what you said.
I said the lion lives in the desert.
You know, this is nothing fancy, but this pot, it works, guys. Sarah, I just want to thank you if you end up watching this for giving me these. I'll probably use these on my backpacking trips. It'd be a waste to use them for this kind of camping. Perfect yolk. A few feet away. Last night that bear decided to leave us a present. Rude. I'm in the hammock reading. But never alone. Where did you learn those moves? So the cavalry has arrived.